What is up, guys? Welcome back to Daily Driven Jeeps. And as you guys saw, my oil change light has come on. So in today's video, we're going to change my Jeep's oil, do a little bit of a service on it, and I'll show you guys how easy it is and how you can save money just by doing it yourself. So note, my Jeep is out of warranty and it's out of service plan. So for me to do it, I'm saving money, and even if something breaks, I have to pay it for myself, so it doesn't make sense to send to a dealership. I've got the knowledge, I've done it a lot of times before. So stick with me, I'll show you guys how to do that and how to reset your oil change light on your Jeep yourself without using any diagnostics tools. It's quite easy, so stick with me, I'll show you that. Let's get this done. Okay guys, so this is all you need to really do your service on your Jeep. It's just my toolbox there on the tire. I've got some Ravenol oil, which I'll get to now, 6 liters to be exact, some cloth or your wife's kitchen towels, and let it fan out, and then I've got an air filter right there and an oil filter on top of it, and I've got my crawler, and I've got a little oil catch band. Look guys, I'm in no way sponsored by Ravenol, but if they want to sponsor me, hook me up, Ravenol. So this is the oil they described for my Jeep. So it's got two things in it. It's got the clean Cinto, and then it's also got USVO technology, which means ultra strength viscosity oil. This oil is a stand to be corrected, but I think it's made in Germany, and it's really awesome oil. I also use Ravenol's coolant in my Jeep, so I'll share a link down below of their website and you guys can check it out. They have awesome service, and really I'm so happy with the product, I won't go anything else. So let me show you guys what tools you need for this job. So this is all you need. You need a little extension, your ratchet, 24mm for the oil filter, and a 13mm for your sump drain plug. So let's drain this oil, change the oil on this bad boy. Okay, so while the oil is draining out, I like to change the air filter and oil filter and leave it open so it drains out all and most of the oil. So let's change the oil filter and then the air filter. now just to put in some new clean oil. I've got this little funnel, you can buy this anywhere, it's quite cheap. That's what I like about this Revnol. Just check out this little spout it's got, it's awesome for just filling up. The Jeep uses 5.5, 5.6 liters. So I'm just going to fill up a little bit of this 1 liter and then check the oil level. Just to be on the safe side so don't overfill it. So that looks perfect. And guys, remember to recycle the old oil. So what I like to do is take my old oil and throw it back into the canister, and then I gave it in to a place which recycles the oil for me. Don't throw this in the trash, it's not very good for your environment. Okay, I'm going to try this with one hand, 2 cameras. So turn off your oil service light. You have to switch your ignition on to just on. Press the petrol 3 times, then turn off again. So now you guys can see there's no more oil light. I've only got my fuel light on, but don't worry about that. I have to fill up anyways. It's easy as that, guys. Switch ignition on and press your fuel pedal 3 times fast and switch off, and that's it. Easy. So that's it, guys. We started in this Jeep, we're ending in this Jeep. Thank you all for watching, showing you how to change your oil. It's quite easy, as you guys could see, and resetting your engine oil check light. So guys, if you do like this content, please hit that subscribe button, and also please like this video and share with your family and friends. Thank you all for your love and support, and please follow us on Instagram at Daily Driven Jeeps ZA for a sneak peek what's coming into the future. Thank you guys for watching, hope you all keep safe, cheers.